Hi, I am Vivian Doctora. I'm a proud Illinois State alum, and I'm so honored to be highlighted in State Magazine this spring, where I share my love of community, culture, and food. I'm happy that the first recipe ever shared in State Magazine was in my story. And today I'm going to show you how to prepare one of my favorite dishes, shrimp dumplings. To make the shrimp dumpling, we're going to start with heating up 4 quarts of water so they're ready to go. And here are some ingredients to make the shrimp dumplings. We're going to have some shrimp. It's already chopped up. We also need some light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, a dash of white pepper, some diced green onions, diced up gingers, some oils, water, and most importantly, our dumpling wrapper. We're going to start with mixing some light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and some white pepper. We're going to mix this well together. All right, once you feel like it's mixed well, we're going to add our green onions, ginger, and last oil, and some water. Gonna mix this together again. Make sure you get it a good mix. Alrighty, it looks good. And they're ready to put inside the dumpling wrapper. Now we're going to make some dumpling. You want to put a spoonful of the fillings in the middle of the wrapper. Then you want to make sure the rim of the wrapper is wet with some water before you fold it in half. Then you want to start pleating it. I always start with the right side, maybe because I'm right-handed. And then once you're done with the right side, you want to start on the left side. Just fold it until you can't fold it anymore. And then you want to do a little bit of pressing it down. And there you go. That's your dumpling. After you do that, you want to keep repeating the process until you either run out of ingredients or wrapper. All right, now that we have the dumpling wrap, we're going to put it into the water. It's probably going to boil about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on if it's fresh or frozen. So they have been boiling for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you can see, some of the dumpling is already floating on the top, which means indication that they are almost ready to be picked up. Once you scoop it out of the water, put it on a serving plate. You can enjoy it with some favorite sauce. What I have here is black vinegar. Just put a little bit of it over the shrimp dumpling. Let's give it a try. Very good. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't read it yet, head to the link in the description to see this recipe and read my story in State Magazine.